Boy, now tell no lie. Then your money Thursday, car. See it here? Me see it this blagger thing at the work. How your money they come here, boy. Watch ya. Watch ya. And I call on him, but Unukuya. I'm not about to come kill me now, you know. See it here? Blood clot. No, sir. Me name, oi. People me not tell no lie, me know say people believe in us science. So me have one nice red pole cow when me get and see it here. Me they drive so me can't count them off, me couldn't see. But look, none of them no fear. I don't know how to do it myself, you know, but I know what me do. Me they go straight to bank, you know. So if you don't run in for me to that, me know $1. So now don't kill me if you want to see. Because you can't get that taste off of this brother, see that? Jesus, hey, you know see the blogging good? Blogging good, I don't mean to have views. I want to subscribe, because I'm bad mind. You don't need to subscribe and like, see, hey, the other thing gone, nothing can tap you again. I pick up 6 parts. 6 parts put me on the road, you hear? See that? Outside.